Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to see and hide your friends like reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to Play Store. Tap on Play Store and search here Instagram. Tap on. Your Instagram app is already latest version and update. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Instagram apps. Tap on this. Now you can see that profile icon. Tap on profile icon. Next you can see that right side three dot icon. Tap on this. Scroll down here. You can see that activity in friends tab. Tap on this. Next, tap on no one. Your problem hopefully solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.